Hi, welcome to Axel Learning Smart Math Challenge series. In this series, we will explore challenging math questions and see if we can beat the clock and get the answer in under 10 seconds. First, we will show you the problem of the day. Next, we will try to solve the problem using the standard method, also known as the boring method. Then, we will explore AI responses like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to see how they can solve these questions. And lastly, we will try to solve a problem using a technique without the use of a calculator or an AI. Stay tuned till the end to see how we can solve this problem in less than 10 seconds. So, here's the problem. If the rate of compound interest and simple interest is the same and the difference between the interest earned on a principal of $8,000 over 2 years is $180, find the interest rate. A. 12%, B. 15%, C. 10%, D. 18%, E. 20%. Let's see how most people solve this kind of problem, the boring method. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you want to solve it first before we do. So, the boring method, let the rate of interest be R%. Simple interest earned over 2 years is equal to 2 times R times 8,000 divided by 100 equals 160R. Compound interest earned over 2 years equals 8,000 times 1 plus R divided by 100 squared minus 8,000. Hence, difference is given by equals 8,000 times 1 plus R divided by 100 squared minus 8,000 minus 160R equals 180. Therefore, 8,000 times 1 plus R over 100 squared minus 1 minus 160R equals 180. Therefore, 50 times 1 plus R divided by 50 plus R squared divided by 10,000 minus 1 minus R equals 180 over 160. Therefore, R plus R squared divided by 200 minus R equals 180 divided by 160 or equal to 9/8. R squared equals 9 times 200 divided by 8 equals 225, which means R, or the interest, is 15%. The answer is letter B. The estimated time to arrive at the answer is 90 seconds. Now for the fun part, let's see if AI is smart enough to solve this correctly. We'll first start with ChatGPT and then we'll do the same with Google's Gemini. Here we are in ChatGPT. Let's paste the question and see. Let's see how ChatGPT solves the problem. Again, remember our answer was option B, 15%. Let's see how fast ChatGPT can solve the problem and if it can give us the correct answer. Alright, ChatGPT is still trying to solve the problem. And it was able to give us the correct answer, letter B, 15%. That was fast. Now let's try this in Google's Gemini. We'll paste the same question and see. Again, remember the answer was option B. Let's see if Gemini can solve the problem faster than ChatGPT can. And it definitely did. It already gave us the correct answer, which is 15%. AI is definitely helpful. But how about the times we're not able to access a calculator or an AI? Let's see if there is a faster way to solve the problem without the use of a calculator or an AI. As I had promised, let's see the fastest and smartest way to solve this question without the use of a calculator or an AI. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you have a faster and smarter way to solve this question and beat the clock. So, the smart way. Remember that the difference of $180 is nothing but the interest earned in the second year. Interest earned in first year by compound as well as simple is the same, which is equal to 80R. Interest earned on this interest in the next year equals 80R squared divided by 100, which is equal to 180. Therefore, R squared equals 1,800 divided by 80, which is equal to 225, and R is equal to 15%, which is option B. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 10 seconds. See how fast we got the correct answer? Drop in a comment to share if you have an even better and faster way to solve this question. Like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos or visit us at www.axellearning.com. Thank you and stay tuned for the next one.